All right, so today for our mentor sentence, you should have revised your sentence. I gave you some clues. Maybe you could have added an adverb to describe your verb and how it's dipping or how it's painting. And maybe you could have changed the colors to be a little bit more descriptive, okay? This is already a great sentence, so it doesn't need much changing. All right, so this is what I came up with. This is what I wrote. I said, an orange ball of a sun. I put that it lazily dipped. So instead of saying slowly, again, I gave it that human-like quality because it's being lazy. It's taking its time. Lazily dipped behind the, and then I put apple orchard to describe what kind of orchard. Painting the sky. And instead of just saying pink and red, I changed it to coral and crimson. Behind it. So I put an orange ball of a sun lazily dipped behind the apple orchard, painting the sky coral and crimson behind it. So I revised it. I made it a little bit better, created some more interesting words in there. And these are the kind of things I want you to do after you're done writing. Think about how can you change? Can you add an adverb? Can you change those color words to be more exciting? Those little tiny things are going to make your writing a lot better.